Hello everyone. In this, I am going to discuss Wien's law and Rayleigh's law of blackbody radiation. The major characteristics of blackbody radiation are the intensity increases with increase in temperature, the amount of radiation emitted increases with increase in temperature. Wien's observed the behavior of blackbody and make a conclusion that the objects of different temperature emits spectra that peak at different wavelength. Hotter object appears bluer and cooler objects appear redder. With his observation, he made a conclusion that the maximum energy is inversely proportional to absolute temperature of the body. That is, lambda m is inversely proportional to 1 over T, or lambda T equals to constant. This constant is known as Wien's constant, and its value is 2.892 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter Kelvin. Wien tried to explain the behavior of blackbody radiation. He made an assumption that the radiation coming out from the blackbody is a gas molecule. With the help of Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, he developed a formula that is u lambda d lambda equals to C1 over lambda to the power 5, 1 over exponential C2 over lambda t d lambda, where C1 and C2 are constant. We tried to explain the behavior of blackbody radiation but couldn't succeed because his formula works properly in the lower wavelength region, but this formula was unable to explain the behavior of blackbody in the longer wavelength region. So Wien's formula does not explain the behavior of body in longer wavelength region. Further, Rayleigh and Jean tried to explain the behavior of blackbody radiation by making a correction in the assumption of Wien's. He assumed that the radiation coming out from the blackbody is a standing wave which is developed due to the oscillating atoms at the wall of blackbody. With the help of Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, he developed a formula u lambda d lambda equals to 8 pi kt over lambda to the power 4 d lambda. With the help of this formula, Rayleigh and Jean tried to explain the behavior of blackbody, but they also couldn't succeed because this formula works properly in the longer wavelength region, but they are unable to explain the behavior of blackbody in the shorter wavelength region. So this formula doesn't work properly in the shorter wavelength region. So Wien and Rayleigh and Jean are unable to explain the behavior of blackbody with the help of their formulas. Both formulas fail to explain the behavior of blackbody radiation. Thank you. Thank you very much.